To open an EasyPaisa account on a Keypad mobile, start by dialing the EasyPaisa code on your mobile phone. This code is usually provided by the service provider and can be found on their official website or by contacting their customer support. Once you have dialed the code, follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the account opening process. You will be asked to enter your mobile number and confirm it by entering it again. This is a security measure to ensure that the account is being opened by the actual owner of the mobile number. After confirming your mobile number, you will be asked to enter your CNIC number and other personal details. Make sure to enter your details accurately and carefully, as any errors may lead to delays or rejection of your account opening request once you have entered all the required information. Submit your request and wait for the confirmation message. You will receive a confirmation message on your mobile phone with your EasyPaisa account details, including your account number and PIN. This message will also include instructions on how to activate your account and start using it. To activate your account, dial the EasyPaisa code again and follow the instructions to set up your PIN and other security features. You can then start using your EasyPaisa account to make transactions, pay bills, and perform other financial tasks. It is essential to keep your account details and PIN secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. Make sure to use a strong and unique PIN and do not share it with anyone. Also, be cautious when using public Wi-Fi or unsecured networks to access your account. In case you encounter any issues or have questions during the account opening process, you can contact EasyPaisa customer support for assistance. They will guide you through the process and help you resolve any problems you may be facing. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can easily open an EasyPaisa account on your Keypad mobile and start enjoying the convenience and benefits of mobile banking.